Hello and welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Today I've got a WM Statesman Series 1 3.6 V6, the LY7 engine with the M82 5-speed gearbox in there. Compliance plate there, a bit of it. And other compliance plates around here. Got a few doors on it, some wheels, got some grey leather trim in there. Airbags haven't gone off. 14th to 508. Start her up for you. There you go, and I'll do the walk around. Trim there. Nice and tidy. Reach over there. Good tail lights, good boot lid. There's 5 wheels. The rev. Big engine, yeah, we'll do that. There we go, there's our speedo reading, 196206 k's. All standard fare here for dismantling. So if you need some WM Statesman parts or any other parts for that matter, or any other car, give the Parts Plus team a call on 02 46 46 1733. That's us up on the wall there. And the Parts Plus team will help you out. Okay. As I say in the business, let's put this baby to bed. Thanks for watching and bye for now.